The wall cordless vacuum cleaner is a remarkable cleaning companion designed to revolutionize your cleaning routine. With its powerful suction, versatile functionality, extended battery life, and lightweight design, this cordless vacuum is engineered to tackle various cleaning challenges, from hard floors and carpets to pet hair. In this article, we will explore the features and benefits of the wall cordless vacuum cleaner, highlighting why it stands out among its competitors. Unmatched suction power for deep cleaning. The wall cordless vacuum cleaner boasts an impressive 25 PA of suction power, ensuring a thorough clean on all types of surfaces. Whether you're dealing with dirt, debris, or pet hair, this vacuum's powerful suction effortlessly lifts and captures even the most stubborn particles. With its advanced brushless motor, the wall cordless vacuum cleaner provides superior performance, allowing you to achieve spotless floors in no time. Versatile 4-in-1 functionality. The wall cordless vacuum cleaner offers versatility with its 4-in-1 design, making it suitable for various cleaning tasks around your home. It functions as a stick vacuum, handheld vacuum, crevice tool, and upholstery brush. Easily convert it from a stick vacuum for cleaning floors to a handheld vacuum for above floor surfaces, or use the crevice tool to reach tight corners and crevices. The upholstery brush is perfect for refreshing furniture and removing pet hair. With the wall cordless vacuum cleaner, you have a versatile cleaning solution at your fingertips. Foldable design for convenient storage. One of the standout features of the wall cordless vacuum cleaner is its foldable design, allowing for convenient storage in small spaces. This space-saving feature ensures that the vacuum can be neatly tucked away when not in use, making it ideal for apartments or homes with limited storage areas. The foldable design also enables you to easily clean under furniture and reach tight spaces with ease. Extended runtime for uninterrupted cleaning. Say goodbye to frequent recharging interruptions during your cleaning sessions. The wall cordless vacuum cleaner comes with an impressive 55 minutes of runtime on a single charge, allowing you to clean your entire home without interruption. With its high-capacity battery, you can confidently tackle large cleaning tasks without the need for constant recharging. That's all I have to say. Please subscribe to my channel since I upload useful videos every day. Please read my description if you require any additional details or want to know the cost of the goods. Comment below if you have any problems of any type. Keep up with our innovative items because they will make your life more simpler.